Good evening, everyone. It's Ford Mustang 98 guy here today. Here I have a 2014 Honda Accord Touring. This is all new. Today, I'm going to give you all a full and in-depth review on the Accord. We'll start the engine, we'll show it off, we'll go some of the performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside of the car. So, without further ado, let's go and start it up, let it run. The vehicle also has a smart key access system. All you gotta do is have the key in your pocket. And to unlock the doors, just put your hand behind the door handle and it unlocks the vehicle. To lock it, just hit the button and it locks the vehicle. Simple as that. It's a dark gray exterior with chrome door handles with black fabric interior, I believe. You can't be able to see it because it's getting dark out, so I'm going to have to rush through this video. Vehicle also has keyless start as well. Also has navigation. It's push button start, so all you got to do is to press the brake pedal, hit the button to start the engine. It's getting pretty dark out, so I'm going to rush through this video. Fires right up. It's got a full leather wrap steering wheel. Very smooth electric power steering. It's very smooth, easy to steer. 5-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection. Even has a backup camera as well with guidance lines. It also turns as you turn the wheel. As you can see, it's very easy, it's very simple. Put it back in park and it goes back to your radio screen. So, we'll go ahead and flip on the automatic headlights as well as the fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic drive side window. Now we'll check out the exterior. That beeping is to let you know that the key has left the vehicle. Getting pretty dark out, so I'm gonna rush this video. Lockable fuel door. I don't think you'll be able to see the inside pretty well. It's getting dark. There are brake lights up top. And there's your exhaust. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. Here's the engine bay for you. Engine's hot under here. Your battery. Wash your fluids. Look nice and clean in here. This is brand new. And we're going to close the hood. You have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, window lock, your storage down there, full power seats, which work. Also has, I think this, I'm not too sure if it has a tilt steering wheel. I have no idea. It's getting pretty dark out. So, let's go ahead and see how she revs. You can hear that little 4-cylinder. You can also option as a V6, but this car is very brand new, so sounds nice. Revs up really, really nice. Has a 4,000 RPM rev limiter. Nice, not bad. Gotta love it. Gotta love your Honda. Your forward flashers. Close her up. I'm gonna turn on the interior lights. It's getting pretty dark inside. Here's your climate control right here. Even shows up right there. Your circulation, your air conditioning right there. Even shows up there. Circulation, rear defrost, your temperature. It's dual zone on each side. It even shows up there too, as you can see. You can control on each side if you want. It's dual zone. Your one-touch automatic, sync, on and off. Your front defrost. Different modes right here. And your fan speed right here. You turn on the interior lights, it's getting pretty dark in here. Here's the AM/FM radio with CD player as always. Also has navigation if you guys didn't notice. So I'm going to show you the nav real quick. There's the nav. It's even touchscreen as well. Your 6 preset stations here. Your screen settings. Sound settings. Treble. Your bass. Balance, fader, all that. Here's the nav. Info. Your computer. It's all controlled by this wheel. Instant fuel, average fuel.
Virgin Radio.
Audio. Switch between AM, FM, XM, as well as disc. Change your radio station here. Shows up there as well. Day and nighttime mode. That's nice. Navigation. Bluetooth telephone. The phone is not connected right now, but anyway, that's pretty much the navigation screen for you. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's getting pretty dark. But down here, right down there, is your power outlet, auxiliary, You won't be able to see that pretty well. It's getting dark out. Brushed silver aluminum accent right there. Heated seats. Cup holders. Storage. Cruise control. Audio controls on the steering wheel. This also controls, no phone's connected right now, so you have your headlights, turn signals. If you get the right turn signal on, it says check your surroundings. Wipers. You also have voice command.
After the beep, say phone call, music search, voice help, address, find nearest POI category, or more destination methods.
Music search.
Press the talk button to say a music search command. After the beep, say an artist, song.
Cancel.
Press the talk button to say a command.
That's pretty much about it. All controlled by this wheel right here. Radio controls on the steering wheel. Here's your driver info system on the speedometer. Your trip computer. Oil life. It's pretty cool. Mirror and vanity light. You also have sunroof here. It's getting pretty dark out.
Now with the most music and less talk.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna move on to the back seat. I'm gonna move on to the back seat now. You also have fuel economy right here. Alright, so let's move on to the back seat now. Alright guys, that's pretty much about it in the inside, so now we're gonna check out the back seats. Let's check out the back. I got the keys on this. So heated seats for the back seat as well. Storage. You won't be able to see it well, so I have to keep the door open. It's getting pretty dark out here. Cup holders right here. It's a very nice family car. Alright, let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Trunk's pretty clean back here. Well, my phone doesn't cut out of tape. We also have heated seats on this side as well. Same on this side. Locks, windows. Also power seats. All controlled by here.
Virgin Radio.
Now playing the most hit music.
in Toronto.
So that's glove box. Also a mirror vanity light right here. Ocean handles. You won't be able to see that, but if I open this, it's kind of better. There it is. Yeah, it's getting dark outside, so. Alright guys, I was going to shut the vehicle off, come to an end, and it's getting night, so as you can see, it's getting dark outside. Yeah. Just going to cut the motor off. Let's shut her down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth look on the all-new 2014 Honda Accord Touring. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care everyone and good night.